Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Long time I'm not recording any video, so today I'm back to you with my new video. On this video I show my payment proof and how I make next payout from program LetyShops, because I'm qualified to get my cashback after my shopping from the last few months. Like you see, I have 40 Polish zloty to pay out, 16.8 waiting for the review. When I get this money, I show you in the next video. And my payment proof. Now I'm going to pay out this amount of money. So my account, withdraw funds, scroll to the bottom, bank transfer. In my case is my bank number, my name, and withdraw funds. And like you see, withdraw request has been received. It will be proceed soon and the amount will be transferred by the method indicated in your request. You can follow the status of your request in the table below. Like you see, I made a request. I should get money from this cashback between 1 to 3 business days after they approve my request. If you don't have account on the LetyShops program and you want to join from my referral link, I put link in description of this video. Of course, if you create account from my referral link, me and you get bonus from the registration. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see you in the next one.